What is going on, guys? So I'm going to be showing you basically the plan in order to make money with YouTube. I have done this in the past. I'm revamping this and I redid it because my old email account got deleted. If you guys don't remember that channel, it was mainly crypto. But basically, this channel right here, it gets about $9 to $13 per thousand views. So again, that's really good pay. For example, if you get 100,000 views, you'd be looking at around $1,000 a month. So now this channel right here, I started this about 2-3 weeks ago. Currently 73 subscribers. So obviously not too bad. I'm getting it going. This is the finance one right here. Then over here, I have my reaction video that I do with a buddy of mine. This is just something more fun. It's very simple in my opinion. As you can see, we've literally done 2 videos, uploaded one last night at like 11:50 p.m. or something. So this is more of a fun one. It's basically one of us eats breakfast or we both. We just sit in front, watch the videos we want to watch anyways, and then just kind of react to it and give our opinions on stuff like that. So a channel like this only makes around $3 to $7 per thousand views since it's not in the finance niche. But again, that's still really good because you have both channels. So then let's say you're making $900 to $1,300 a month and you're making $300 to $700 a month. And that's only if you get 100,000 views per video, per month on videos. And I remember my old channel, I was getting 40,000 with around 2,000 subs. And obviously I was getting paid, I think my CPM was around $9.90 or something. So right under $10. And I was basically posting every day and getting around 30,000 views, 10 to 30, 10 to 40. So on the lowest, I would get 300,000 views. On average, I got 350, 400 around there. So that was just something that was a great side thing. And I still have money in the account that I need to get out, but I have to submit my tax information. That's a different story. But so yeah, because off of that, 300,000 views, that's $3,000 a month, and that's pretty good because now this is something that you're going to have to like doing. I really like making videos. Some days I'm like, oh, okay, not today. And sometimes when I have more time, as you can see here, right, I just knocked like 3 in a row because I was just binge eating and drinking and all of that, and I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna just knock out a couple of these. So again, it's just like find something that you're interested in. So don't be like, oh, I'm going into finance, even though I know nothing about it, and because it pays one of the highest CPMs. No, don't do that. You know, if you want to do comedy, yeah, it's like $1 to $3. But guess what? Those gold digger videos, they get good views. Those get millions of views. So again, it depends. It's all about scaling and growing. The nice thing is it's an active job, but with a passive income and an active income, as well as it is more of a freelancer job. So it's not really anything like, oh, I have to do this today. No, because guess what? People understand, you know? Let's say you upload daily. You don't have to do that. You can upload 3 times a week, 1 time a week, you know? Just find what fits in your schedule, what you think is good. Obviously, to get growing, I would suggest 1 video a day. And just do your best, right? The camera quality, like I'm still upgrading all of my stuff. Again, I've just restarted this. I broke my camera on accident. I ended up buying a 128 gigabyte SD card, pushed that in, ended up like bending the pins, and then now I don't have an SD card, so I had to get the camera fixed. They're like, we can't. So now I have to go out and buy a new one. I'm like, shit, okay. So again, everything is being set up. There are different ways. For me, it's more about getting the information out there than it is basically perfecting the video and having all of that, because I mainly do this when I'm like not really working or not really home in a sense. It's more for traveling because I want to grow this to the point where it's just pure travel for me, and then being like, hold up, like, babe, let me finish this video real fast, upload, like do the video for 20 minutes, edit it for like 20-30 minutes, and then upload it, and then within that, and then write all the script and all of that for that. So that way it's like an hour a day, and I can be like, okay, sweet, I'm done. Video is posted. Let's say that video gets 100,000 views. Once the channel starts picking up and all of that, then you're like, okay, sweet, I'm good now. So then it's like, okay, great, I just made $900, you know, like every single day, Monday through Sunday. So again, it all depends. One, it's if you really like doing it, I love doing this, and two, it's just some side income, right? But again, it also helps you with everything basically. One, public speaking, all of that. I remember back in high school, a couple years back when I had the first channel, we had a capstone presentation, and it was like, oh, you have to do public speaking. Everyone was like preparing for weeks and months because it was in front of the entire faculty and parents and all of that and students. And me, if you guys don't know anything about me, I don't prepare. I'm not one of those people that studies for tests. I'm not one of those people that does your homework the night or week before or anything like that. I was oh shit, my homework's due in 20 minutes. Let me start this. That's what I was doing. So I didn't prepare, and I won Best Public Speaker. That is the crazy thing. And I literally did a pop squat on stage because my friend bet me $5. So one, I didn't give a crap, and two, it's just because I was so used to talking to a camera. You're like, yeah, but there's a big difference. Yeah, but after a while, it all starts blending together. Talking to a camera, talking to your friends, especially if you have like friends talking to the camera with you. You're like having side conversation, talking to the camera, and yeah, I know one thing I have to work on is sometimes I speed up because I also want to get the information in a small video. So I ramble on, and then I kind of fuck that up. But again, it helps public speaking. It's good side income. It's very fun. Yes, it does take time to grow. And you can just experiment, have fun, try it out. And there's no harm, no foul. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, like, subscribe, and peace out, guys.